Good morning, you guys. Oh, I am doing DoorDash and I'm about to go deliver this order over here. This order over here, it was 2 orders together. I already dropped my first one and it was $22, y'all. DoorDash decided to surprise me. When you see $22 in DoorDash, you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be like, whoa, what happened? Where is it going? Like, who ordered this food? That's, you ask yourself 100 questions because that's those kind of order we don't see like that. Let me say, I don't be seeing like that over here in my country. I say country. In my city, like in this small city that I live in, I don't see $22 at the same time order. I can see $6, $7. But I was super happy, you guys, and it's only was going for 11 miles. So let's go drop it off. They're waiting for me. Actually, he just came out. I'm talking too long, too much. All right, you guys, it's now 9:46. 9:46. After the last pickup, I did 2 more orders. One was for $7 and from Uber Eats, and the other one was from DoorDash for $6. So far I have about $30, I guess. So I came to pick up a catering order. I have a catering order, you guys, to pick up, and it paid me the most money as well. It paid me $125, you guys. I don't remember how many miles that I'm driving, but I have no idea how many miles. So the pickup time is 10:09 and I arrived here right now. It's 9:46, so I have few more minutes to wait in the car before I even head in. I'm gonna go in there let's say 10 o'clock. So let me just chill in the car. I'm about to start editing my video, my YouTube video. So yeah, 125 plus this one. Oh, let me tell you guys what happened yesterday. So yesterday, you guys, I was planning to do Amazon Flex in the morning. So as I told you guys, I woke up, I did my alarm to wake me up around 5 a.m. So yesterday I woke up 5 a.m. you guys, and there was nothing. I was like, nah. I was ready to pick up an order, but I didn't have a chance to pick up any order, you guys, because they have took all the order. So right now I'm thinking, instead of waking up around 5, I'm gonna do an alarm that's gonna wake me up around 2 or 3 to just see a schedule, to just pick a schedule. So I'm gonna waking up around 4, 3 or 2, between that time, instead of 5, because 5 is too late to catch an Amazon Flex that's gonna deliver at 6. So yeah, but I am ready to be doing Amazon Flex, y'all. I am ready. Instead of waiting for these 6 orders order, you don't even know if that day is gonna be slow or not. But with Amazon Flex, you already know, hey, once I'm done with this for 4 hours, for my 3 hours, I'm gonna get this money. So yeah. And today in the afternoon as well, I'm trying to catch an Amazon Flex. If they have like the one that ends 5 to 8, if it ends before 8, I can do that. But if it ends after 8, no. I don't like delivering at late night, especially when it's dark. And when you're doing Amazon, they take you anywhere, like any place that you don't even know. No. Yep, so that's about it, you guys. I think that's mine. So I'm done picking up everything. I have this here, I have 2 bags there, and those boxes. And we only have 9 minutes, you guys. Only 9 minutes to go pick up this. To go drop off this this order. So let's go drop it off. It's now 10:13. 10:13. It's getting hot. Oh, it's getting hot, you guys. So after dropping my catering order, you guys, it's now 1:07. I've been doing DoorDash and Uber Eats, but so far I've been only working. They have been giving orders on DoorDash, and so far I'm sitting on $37 from 11 to 1. So guess what? I just saw an Amazon shift that's gonna start 1:45 to 5. So guess what? Your girl took it, y'all, for 3 hours. 3 hours and 30 minutes. And they're paying me $80 for that. So you guys, I jumped in it. I'm like, yeah, let me go pick it up. So I'm about to go pick it up, this Amazon shift, and I'm just so excited about it. And after that, I'm not gonna work in let's see what we have to. Yo, Amazon Flex. They ended up giving me 19 drop, you guys. Only 19 stops. 19 stops, and right now I am on I'm on stop 15 actually. 15 stops, and my first drop off I drove, I think it was 31 minutes. Yeah, I drove 31 minutes to get to my first stop, so not bad at all. So let me go through these boxes to see I was blocking somebody actually, to see the name of this person. I'm dropping 2 stops here. Is this where the interest is? I think, and I'm not going there. Let me just throw them here. So I'm so happy. I'm done right now. I am just now finished. I was supposed to finish around 5:15, but right now it's 3:24. So it only took me 1 hour and 38 minutes to finish this pick up this Amazon Flex. Like this was a win-win. Like it was a win-win. I wish every day could be like this, you guys. Easy money. Today was easy money on Amazon Flex. So yeah, I'm done. I'm about to go home right now. So today we did Amazon Flex for $80 plus the catering order that we did earlier for 120, 125, 124. That's 200 already, plus the money that I made in DoorDash. So I'm gonna put the total amount over here because I don't know how much I made so far. I haven't calculated. Yeah, so far, you guys, today was a very good day. Today was today was very, 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 very good day doing this gig work. So yeah, I think this is the end of my video because it's 3:25 right now. I'm about to go run errand, and I think I might vlog up when I get home when I'm cooking, you know. I don't know. If I don't, yeah, if I am, okay. But I think I should, I don't know. I need to wash my hair, you guys. I really need to wash my hair. This is all gel from last time when I went out. Like, I haven't washed my hair out, but I need to. Yeah, but I'm about to go to Ross right now to just check this thing out, and yeah.